It's difficult to change this world. Everyone is busy to achieve something or the other in their lives. If you understand their objective of only making money and earning name, then people will come to you. Else, you will be left alone with your own ideology and philosophy, which may be great. What we get in this life is not in our hand. The family we are born, the family we are married, the children that we get, certainly not as per our desires. And here the struggle starts when we get things contrary to our desires. I am a researcher and a person who goes around talking to various people around only on purpose. I otherwise do not gossip and do not socialize for partying. This I had done earlier also, and I had seen the ill consequences of indulging into people for friendships and for support. A person may be mental case in your case, or it may be a person who's very slow mind and gives you a lot of stress in dealing with small situations. Forget about the big ones. And this is the most astonishing and painful state of affairs when the men in the family are weak and they do not take care of the safety and security needs of the woman in the house. They are introverts and they do not let even the helps enter into the house. Maybe is the gardener, maybe is the cleaner, cook. They want the lady of the house to do the whole chores, even though they do not insist on the clever ways of woman bringing money in the house either through job or through other ways. But in the entire situation, the woman is a victim. She has to do everything on her own and suffer the pain. The society does not let a woman live alone under any circumstance. Even if she had the family and she lost the family because of the deaths or the children getting away in higher jobs, she is just not allowed to live alone. It's very pathetic. This world is a very pathetic scene for anyone who does not conform to what the world does and what the world says. We need to think on this.